Tired of loose ratchet straps, jumper cables, and random gear sliding around the back floor of your Nissan Titan? Underseat storage boxes turn that wasted space into stealthy cargo room, keeping your cab clean and your valuables out of sight. Today, we're breaking down the 3 best options, each one custom fit for the Titan, so you can stash tools, hunting gear, or emergency junk without hogging bed space. All the purchase links are sitting in the video description, so let's dive in. WeatherTech's Underseat bin is laser measured to hug the floor pan on Titans from 2004 all the way to 2024, including the XD. Made in the United States of America from soft-touch, chemical-resistant material, it's odor-free and 100% recyclable. Folks dig how it drops in with 0 tools, no drilling, no funky smells, just clutter control in under 5 minutes. Reinforced lips stop small stuff from rolling underneath the seats, and the pliable polymer shrugs off spilled sports drinks or winter salt without staining. If you want factory-level fit and eco-friendly vibes, WeatherTech's got you. Rough Country steps it up with a beefy thermoplastic tray that feels like it could survive a boot camp. It's contoured for late-model Titans, slots under the rear bench, and the anti-skid texture keeps sockets and flashlights from playing bumper cars on washboard roads. Installation is literally set it and forget it. No bolts, no cuts. Reviewers love the tough finish that laughs at muddy work boots and still wipes clean. Plus, Rough Country backs it with a limited lifetime warranty, so if the tray ever cracks, they've got your 6. Top of the heap is DUHA, the original king of underseat vaults. Molded from heavy-duty polyethylene and color-matched to Titan interiors, this unit not only hides your gear, but also doubles as a legal gun case in most states. The included removable racks hold 2 shotguns or rifles upright, or pop them out for chainsaws and tool bags. It installs in under 10 minutes. Just flip the seat, drop it in, and secure a couple brackets. Made in the United States of America and backed by a lifetime warranty, DUHA is the go-to for contractors and hunters who need bomb-proof, lockable storage that blends right in. Whether you're wrangling job site tools, fishing rods, or kids' sports gear, these underseat bins keep your Titan organized and your cargo protected. Smash the links in the description to check current prices, colors, and fitment. If this rundown saved you a headache, hit that subscribe button for more truck gear reviews. Catch y'all on the next haul.